Hi everyone and welcome again for a new project. I just came for a special launch for a project will be located in Dubai Production City or IMPZ. The project will consist just studios and one-bedroom apartment, which has 4 years post-handover. Exclusive launch will be launched now in a few minutes. So they have amazing payment plan and pricing, as you see from the title, is just from 520,000 dirhams, a local currency, with DLD Waiver. Important to watch this video. Grab your coffee and let's go inside to see the project presentation together. Let's go.
I think it's one of my favorite renders, the way it is designed. At Grid, we always believe that any facade we design has to be timeless. By timeless, I mean to say you go to the building 5 years from today, 10 years from today, 15 years from today. It has to stand the test of time, right? More beautiful. Again, the grand entrance lobby, we designed it very carefully to have a drop-off which makes the product extremely aspirational in terms of when a person arrives at the lobby. To me, there are two things which decide the perception of a building. I think the first one is the facade of the building, because that's what the person sees whenever he or she sees that building. The second one is the entrance lobby, because that also creates a perception about that building. It's a render of the pool area, which has a sunken seating, which we call it Club Serene. The rooftop amenities, which has more than 14 species of plants, which has been thoughtfully designed, a mini golf course on the rooftop. Now, again, adding more to your entrance lobby. Your entrance lobby, I think Grande Maison is a concept which we started back in Elvora, where we had furniture, branded furniture by Versace, which we put in the lobby so that when anyone comes into your lobby, you have that particular furniture in the lobby, right? So this time it is Armani branded furniture, which will be in the lobby of Eira by Neoterra Developments. But what can be better more than a touch and feel, right? So we thought we'll have a glimpse of it, so we'll actually get the furniture here to see that how it sees. Can I invite Mr. Naresh from founder and CEO at Neoterra Developments to just help me unveil brand of the board.
Neoterra Development. Following the success of Almora in Jumeirah Garden City, Eira marks a second project and a significant step forward as we create building our vision for the UAE with many more developments planned in the near future. I would like to thank you all for supporting us. I would like to call Mr. Moria again to define the amazing Grande Maison lobby at Eira with a furniture from Armani. Yeah, thank you.
Production city at this point of time is commanding. This is a typical one bed in production city, a median price of 1.1 million, average rent at 62,000. And what is Eira bring to you? Right? A typical layout of a studio. Now, I really love the utilization of space which has been done. As you see, this studio has 2 wardrobe spaces here. The kitchen comes with a collapsible wall, which means when you are cooking, the kitchen is open. When you are not cooking, you just collapse the wall so that the dishes are not seen or there is no smell in the apartment, right? You built your working space and with the balcony. Anchor price is 550,000 and anchor sizing is average sizing is 350 square feet. That's a 1 bedroom. The average size is 700 square feet. The average price is 960,000. we are able to, every time we design, we are able to fit a powder and a ensuite bathroom in a one bedroom. If you look at this carefully, you have a walk-in wardrobe here, which has been fitted into 700 square feet, along with the ensuite bathroom. There is a separate powder room over here, a semi-closed kitchen, and a balcony again, which is accessible both from your living room as well as the master bedroom. Payment plan. I think this is what is going to excite us the most. 10% on booking, 10% in 2026, 10% in 2027, 10% in 2028, 10% on handover in 2029, and then 50% post handover for 4 years. Right, friends? 50% post handover. When a customer books, we need to pay 20%. This year, you pay 10% after 1 year. So, for a studio buyer, it's pretty much outflow of 55,000 every year. Now, how does this work? You pay about 50% until handover, which means for a studio, you have paid about 275,000. Even if you resell your studio with a gain of say 100,000, you are making 40% ROI in a period of 3 years until handover. Even if you are renting it out, I think first year, because you have paid only 50%, your rental yield is double, right? So it's close to, considering inflation, it's close to about 20-25% on the first year after handover. Yes, 4% gain.
So we finished the presentation. It's a massive project, to be honest, investment opportunity. Now, contact me or reach out to me now. Submit your AOI, which is 10,000 dirhams for studios or for one bedroom apartment. 10,000 dirhams is the AOI and it's a refundable amount. On the launch, I'm gonna inform you like 1 week before or 3 days before, and then we're gonna coordinate together to get you the best units. Now, be first, not last, and don't miss this chance to own your apartment with amazing payment plan.